Gorgeous and better than new single-family home, with just about all the big-ticket items already done for you. This move-in-ready residence features the perfect updates, and sets on an impeccably maintained lot with fabulous curb appeal. Fall in love with the light and bright, open floorplan layout with high-vaulted ceilings, allowing tons of natural sunlight in any season. The open kitchen features white refinished cabinets, new large center island and separate area for an eat-in kitchen table, all overlooking the fully fenced yard with large storage shed, plus 2 garden beds and a large outdoor deck, perfect for entertaining. Family room features a warm cozy fireplace, separate office area with custom built-in cabinets. Separate dining room, living room area is great for large family gatherings. The second floor has 4 generous-sized bedrooms with ample closet space. Master suite has high vaulted ceilings, 2 separate closets. Private ensuite features a large separate shower, large soaking tub and private commode. Amazing security system included. Ask listing agent for more details. 3-car driveway. Full, partially finished basement with a finished media room featuring vinyl floors, drop acoustic ceiling, and additional space to bring your creative ideas. Basement also features new can lighting throughout. Additional new features include roof and gutters, 2021, HVAC, 2021, hot H2O heater, 2021, Bryant Furnace, 2017, H2O Softener, 2021, refrigerator, 2020, stove, 2020, dishwasher, 2018, sliding back door, 2021, backyard deck, 2020, Brazilian teak floors, 2019, center kitchen island, 2019, Samsung washer, 2020, Maytag dryer, 2022, can lighting on main level and basement, 2018, Sump Pump, 2021. Paint inside and out, 2019. Great schools. Close to pond, 2 parks, schools, entertainment and restaurants. Great location. This home has it all.